afternoon, PGT Commerce teacher, Shakthi International School. Now, I would like to provide solution for the numerical question, NCERT numerical question 14 from Goodwill Valuation concept from the chapter Admission of Partners. Goodwill Valuation, NCERT question number 14 numerical question. So let's see the question detail. Firm's capital in a business is 2 lakh. The normal rate of return firm's the normal rate of return on firm's capital is 15%. During the year 2015, the firm made a profit of 48,000. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of super profit. So in this question, they have asked to calculate the goodwill on the basis of super profit method based on 3-year purchase of super profit. The data given as capital employed is given, that is 2 lakh. Normal rate of return is given, that is 15%. The actual profit or the profit earned by the firm is 48,000. So having these details, let's solve this question. So here we have to find out super profit. So first, super profit, let me give a brief idea about super profit. It is the excess of actual profit or average profit over normal profit. So it is the excess amount than the normal profit. So whatever the actual profit the firm made compared to the normal profit, what is the excess? So that is super profit. Normal profit also we must have an idea, then only we can see how it is excess the actual profit. It is the amount of profit most of the firm will earn in the industry. So anyone in the same industry, if it is transport industry, whoever involved in that business, minimum 10% they will earn. So that will be known as the normal rate of return. So it is expressed as normal rate of return. The another perspective is that it is the minimum return any investment can yield in the business. So normal rate of profit means normally all the business, all firm or enterprises involved in the business can achieve this much profit. That is normal profit. The formula is capital employed. That is actual capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. That is normal profit. Then super profit means the actual or average profit minus normal profit. In this question, the actual or average profit is 48,000. We need to calculate the normal profit first. So normal profit capital also they have given 2 lakh. Rate of return also they have given 15%. See, capital 2 lakh. Rate of return 15%. Average profit 48,000. So now we can easily solve this question. First, average profit is 48,000. Normal profit we have to calculate, that is 2 lakh into normal rate of return 15 divided by 100. So that is 30,000 is the normal profit anyone can make in a particular year in that business. Now super profit is the excess of actual profit 48,000 minus this normal profit 18,000. So this is 18,000 as the excess profit the firm earned. Now the goodwill will be super profit into number of year of purchase. So here 18,000 into 3 years purchase they have given for goodwill valuation. 3-year purchase of super profit. Therefore 18,000 into 354,000. That's all very simple. I hope all of you understood.